ClassPath is a way how to tell JVM and the Java compiler in Java where to find the classes for the compilation and when we are running our application. So for example, let's take this very simple example. We have a string hello world from Apache Commons. It's a library, and what we want to do is we want to use a method from string utils, which is in the Apache Commons library, and we want to capitalize the first letter. So what we need to do for that, right? So for that, what we need to do first, we need to download the jar file which contains this class string utils, right? So for that, let's go to the let's go to the Maven repository, and here I have already downloaded the jar file for the version of the 3.18, and after that we can place in any directory that we want. In my case, I have placed that in the directory under the lib, so I have placed Apache Common Lang 3.18 jar file, which contains this class in this directory. So now what we need to do, the next step, right, in order to run our application. The first thing that we need to do is we need to compile this class, right? So for that, we are compiling our class. So what exactly are we doing here? So when we are compiling our class, we are defining here the class path, and in the class path, we tell to the class path, okay, so when you are compiling the demo app .java, right? So when you are compiling this class, whatever classes that you need extra, you can find them under in this jar under this folder lib. So that's exactly what we are doing here, and whatever is the output, put that under the bin folder. So let's compile our class, and after the compilation, as you can see here, so we have the bin tutorial, and after that we have a compiled class, right? Demo app. So now we can go ahead and run that class, right? So we can go ahead and run that class. So for that, again, we are running our compiled class, and we are defining that where we are going to find that class, right, under the demo app. And also, if we need any classes during this runtime, we can get them from the library under the bin, from the Commons Lang jar file. And that's it. If we are going to run this, that is printing for us hello world from Apache Commons. Again, usually when we are in the enterprise application and so on, so what we do is we are using a build tool such as Maven and or Ant or similar, but it's good to know that how it exactly works under the hood.